The EY Next Wave Leadership Award honors a rising professional who is leading the future of our arts community in Colorado. 2022 EY Next Wave Leadership Award honoree, Tara Rynders.
I grew up dancing. It was always my form of care for myself, my resiliency, my support. I also am a healer. So nursing came very easy to me, nurturing and caring for others. It's one of my strengths and one of my gifts, because I believe the arts heal and the arts are transformational. It made sense to combine these two together. So the clinic is an arts and play-based immersive theater company that creates performances and workshops in the hospital settings. And we bring artists inside the hospital alongside healthcare providers of all kinds into these spaces to create relationship through play and through the arts. First Do No Harm took place in 2018. It was an immersive theater performance that took place at Rose Medical Center, so inside the hospital. And we opened the hospital up to guests to follow the story of a woman who was losing her partner, and also to follow nurses. And we told the story of compassion fatigue, and we told the story of burnout, and the stories of loss, as well as the story of joy, of holding our grief alongside our joy and what that looks like. We've created resiliency moments, which is a virtual moment. It's an hour long, and healthcare providers sign on, and they're taken into special rooms inside this virtual setting to have these one-on-one experiences with artists. I'm grateful because during the pandemic, it was a time that artists weren't able to work very much, and that's when we were able to really help employ artists. The pandemic has shown a light on burnout and secondary traumatic stress, but this has been there for a long, long time. If we can decrease burnout in healthcare providers, we're actually going to increase patient outcomes, increase patient safety, and this includes health disparities. This includes decreasing racism at the bedside. I would say the first thing I see when I pair artists and nurses together is joy, is a sense of being seen, is a sense of being cared for, and an opening of the creative hearts of our healthcare providers. So in many ways, we're caring for nurses in the way that nurses care for their patients, but using the arts to do that.